Hello, should I pay quarterly estimated tax for swing trading? Yes, if you are swing trading in a taxable brokerage account, it's good to track your swing trades to determine your profit and pay your estimated tax on a quarterly basis. If you have job and you don't really want to pay the estimated tax on a quarterly basis, you can update your W-4 with your employer so that your employer can withhold little extra in addition to what your employer has been holding from your paycheck. They can withhold some extra that will cover your estimated tax for you. I have done that some years ago when I have multiple part-time jobs, and because they are part-time, some of them didn't withhold enough tax because they estimate how much I will make with them, and maybe based on that it was not worth withholding much. So what I try to do is, with one employer, in fact, I think when I start working full-time job and I still have those part-time jobs, few of them, even before that, and when I have multiple part-time jobs, and then later when I have one full-time job with few part-time jobs, or income from trading stocks, buying and selling stocks with one employer, I will complete the W-4 in a very simple form, in a very simple layout, by choosing single option, and then I will determine some extra that can be withheld from each pay. At some point, if I recall, I think I did $5 for some, and I think at some point I did $50. So it depends. So you will determine. Yesterday during our video session, we estimated the tax rates based on tax brackets, and then once you can estimate how much you think you'll make profit wise through your swing trade, and then apply that rates on it, your tax bracket rates on it, to see what the tax will be. And you can just divide it by the number of pay period you have with your employer, and just put an amount there that from your salary your employer can withhold that for you. So that way you won't have to pay quarterly estimated tax. Is already withheld with one employer for you. But this sheet has evolved. The W-4 has evolved over the years. When I was doing this, it was very simple, but this sheet has more to it. If you want to, when you are complaining and you don't want necessary tax to be withheld from your income, it has more step to it that you will have to read through and complete it to help your employer withhold just enough that is necessary to be withheld, meaning that you won't have much refund to get at the end of the year, and you may not owe money either. But when I was doing it, even currently with my employer, if I recall, I think I still have single check on it, but I don't do that extra withholding, I believe, unless there are some that I didn't go back to update it. But when I start swing trading, I took that as my responsibility to pay my taxes instead of going through my employer to do it for me. So therefore, I try to know when those quality taxes need to be paid, and track my swing trade to determine my profits, find the tax, our income tax bracket, and use that to apply on those profits and pay those estimated taxes on a quarterly basis. So, and because we do those swing trade in a taxable joint brokerage account, and on our tax return, my husband's name is the first one on it. So I pretty much help him set up the system, and when it's time to calculate to pay the quarterly tax return, I just set up a time for both of us to work on it, where I will show him what we made profit was by month and what the estimated tax is for, and then he will go in and pay that online to both IRS and our states. But yes, you can go through your employer by updating your W-4 for extra to be withheld from your paycheck, or you can just pay those quarterly taxes on a timely manner. So because the way I view it, instead of just relying on my employer, if I'm making those money outside of my job, I just prefer to be in control of those responsibilities and fulfill them, so that I can learn how to pay those taxes instead of my employer doing it for me. But you have those two options to be able to pay those taxes if you are swing trading in a taxable brokerage account. But if you are doing it in a Roth IRA, you don't need to pay quarterly taxes, because your Roth IRA is tax free on the profit. After tax money is going in it, but your profit from your swing trade is tax free. So therefore you don't pay quarterly tax on those swing trades profit. Today we are going to analyze COO as of August 6, 2026. So when we are looking at COO here on a maximum daily chart, is closer to the support line that I like to buy at. So therefore it's still around my buying zone here, our buying zone here, based on long up to launching trading strategy. I'm not seeing all-time highest price, which is our exit point by default. We purchased it twice. We purchased it when it left the support line before we noticed it, and it's somewhere here we purchased it. It went up a little bit and then pulled back. So we are negative in this purchase. When it pulled back here, we purchased it again. It pulled back down, so that means we became negative in this for that time being, and right now is going up. We are positive in this purchase, but we are still negative in this one. So on a maximum monthly chart, we can see that all-time highest price is far back in the past, but when we are looking at it, is currently resting on this support line. So we purchase it, and when I'm looking at these stocks, I would say that it could well be more of an investment type of stocks, in the sense that if we want to buy at the valley line and sell it after it reached all-time highest peak, it could take us some time before it reached that area. And when it reached from this valley to this valley, that is multiple years between it. So, and those that line are years. We have the dates on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. And from this area all the way to when it was down going up is a lot of years, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. So when it's living here, if it's going to repeat this cycle, it could be climbing up for another 6 years before it could well be done going up, and I decided to start going down. And going down, it took some years as well. 1, 2, 3, 4 years to come down, 6 years to go up, 4 years to come down. So the cycle lasted 10 years, from valley to the highest peak, back to the valley. So stocks like that, I like to say they are more of an investment type of stock, in that sense that it could take more than a year from buying it at the valley to sell it. And in this instance, it's 6 years here. 6 years here. And it has a similar pattern here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years up, 1 year down. So we'll see how it's going to do it here. Maybe it's 1 year down, 6 years up, but we will see. Going down from here though, it took a while to come down as well. But yeah, it's more now around our buying zone than it is. It's close to the buying zone than it is close to the selling zone when it comes to the strategy we are using to swing trade it. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. Afia, on our channel, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to create another stream of income. Just start small and slowly you'll get there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint brokerage account, and I like to share what is working for us, what is not working, what I'm learning here with you, so that if you find some tips useful, you can customize them to fit your personality type, your risk tolerance, and use them in your own financial success journey. Will you please proceed with caution? For more videos in this series, we have over 200 videos related to swing trading to cover all the different aspects of swing trading in case you are interested in our swing trading strategy. So for more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrend Lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. If you are looking for tote bags or cloth napkins, will you please check our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.